Struggling to manage your money? You're not alone. Many people find it challenging to keep their finances in check, especially when they're just starting out. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the top 3 budgeting tips for beginners that will help you get on the right track and take control of your financial future. 1. Track your expenses. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to managing it effectively. Use a notebook or a budgeting app to record every expense, no matter how small. 2. Set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will motivate you to stick to your budget and make smarter financial decisions. 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This simple rule can help you balance your spending and saving effectively. Start budgeting today and take control of your finances. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to financial stability and peace of mind. Remember, it's never too late to start budgeting and make a positive change in your financial life.